Hey guys, in this video we're going to go through how to use the California Faucets wish list. It's an amazing tool on their website, and it's presented even more amazingly by Noel Lawlor, the A&D liaison for California Faucets. I hope you use your wish list and you see the benefit of it on your upcoming projects.
The early stages of a kitchen or bathroom project can feel overwhelming at times with the endless options and ongoing changes. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your plumbing specifying process easier and more efficient. So let's look at the benefits of utilizing the wish list function on California Faucets website. And to do this, I am actually going to create a wish list. So first things first, let's make sure we are logged in. Top right-hand corner here, we have the login icon. Let's click on this. This is where we would add our email and our password, log in. Brings us to our account page. Then over here on the left-hand side, let's click on wish list. For the purpose of this video, let's pretend we are working with the Joneses on their upcoming kitchen project. Let's create a wish list for the Joneses. Bottom left-hand corner here, we have create new list. Let's give it a name, Joneses Kitchen, create list. And there you go, Joneses Kitchen has now been added. And by the way, wish lists are in alphabetical order, which is very handy as you add more wish list. So let's start adding items to the Joneses wish list. Let's begin with adding a Decor kitchen faucet. If you know the part number, top right-hand corner here, we can use the search function. Or over here on the left side, we have a drop-down menu option. So I know that the Decor series is a pull-down faucet. Let's click on this. Here are all of our pull-down faucets, including the Decor. So I'm going to click on this. And here we are. Here we are, the Decor kitchen faucet product page. 26 finish options. So let's select polished brass. Several different handle options. Let's go with the 33 series. This is now ready to add to the Joneses wish list. Click on the heart icon, Joneses Kitchen, save selection. We're going to add several more items from the Decor series, and the easiest way to do this is by going to the Decor series product page. So let's click on this link here. And here are all the items available in the Decor series, including an air switch, heart icon, Joneses Kitchen, save selection. Let's make sure the Joneses have a gorgeous cold water dispenser, heart icon, Joneses Kitchen, save selection. Joneses Kitchen is going to be really, really nice. They have an island. On the island, they have a prep sink. Let's make sure they have a prep faucet, heart icon, Joneses Kitchen, save selection. I'd like to take a moment and explain why I did not indicate the finish on the last three items I just added to the wish list. I have created many wish lists, and I would encourage you to only add the finish to the main faucet. It'll save time and help you avoid oversights as you make changes and finalize selections. I'll also address this later in the video. Or if you'd prefer to indicate the finish of each specific product, we can do that. You would simply right-click on the item, open it up in a new tab, select your finish, polished brass in this case, and then click on the heart icon and save it to a wish list. So let's go back to the Joneses wish list and see how it is shaping up. To do this, I'm going to scroll all the way to the top here. I'm going to click on this heart icon in a moment. The number here, 50, that indicates the number of items I have added to the various wish list I currently have active. So let's go ahead and click on the heart icon. Here are my current wish list, alphabetical order. Here's the Jones's Kitchen. And here are the 4 items I've added. Here's our main kitchen faucet, polished brass finish, 33 series handle. Here's the air switch. Here's the cold water dispenser. And here is the prep faucet. One great feature of the wish list is the ability to organize the product in whatever way you would like. So I like to visualize things, and I know the cold water dispenser is going to go next to the main faucet. So I'm going to drag this up here next to the main faucet. There you go. Another great feature is the ability to add notes. You can never over communicate when it comes in the early stages of the specifying process. So let's remind everybody, hey guys, this is for the island sink. And because we have 2 sinks, we're going to need 2 air switches. So let's increase this from 1 to 2. And let's add one more note here. Hey guys, please confirm finish for all items. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Somewhere along the line, you'll be ready to share your design vision with a colleague or a client, or maybe you're ready to send the wish list to your favorite salesperson so they can put a quote together. You can simply copy the wish list and paste it in an email. Copy link, put it in an email, send it to a colleague, a client, or a salesperson. I want to show you what they'll receive. Look at this here. Look how gorgeous this is. Jones's Kitchen. Here's the wish list. Nice and clean. Here are all the items. Remember, we added some notes here. Remember, we increased this from 1 to 2. If anyone wanted to know more information about a specific item, they would simply click on the link and it goes straight to the product page. How cool is that? So there you have it. Lots of great features that help you stay organized and save time during the specifying process. You can look at the wish list as your very own add to cart option, where you can add or remove items as you finalize product selections. Go have some fun with it and create 1 or 2 wish lists. Let us know what you think. All feedback is welcome. We're always looking for ways to improve and help you in whatever way we can. Thank you for watching this video.
If you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. If you found it informative, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. That way, when we drop new content in the future, it'll go right to your feed.